All right, so this is a little video tutorial on how to use the mobile app. First thing, you just want to download it from the App Store and then press the little icon to open it, and it will take you to the main feed. And if you just want to scroll up and down there, you can choose what you want to be notified of. If you hit those top three little icons on the left, then it'll take you to the menu. This is Discovery, where you can scroll through and choose courses or topics or events. And any of those you can click on and access from inside the app. And you can go down and go to Members and see the members, or go to Topics. These are all the topics in here that you can post. You can go to Events, and each of these has a link to the Zoom link. This is Courses, so click on any of those to access a course. And then Website is at the bottom, so you can go straight to my website, check out the blog or whatever. If you want to, here's back at Courses, but if you just keep swiping left to right, then you'll be back on the main feed. You can just post anything right here, what's on your mind, or you can post a question if you have a question. And then if you want to send a message to one of the other members, you can. Hit the bell icon to see your notifications, and then select Network Settings to scroll through and decide what you want to be notified of. You can turn different alerts on or off. You can get emails for every activity, or just the daily digest email showing you all the activity that happened. You can turn on push notifications or turn them off. These are all different things that you have control over as far as how much the app will communicate with you. This is your personal profile. You can upload a photo and a background photo, and you can tell a little bit about yourself, and that just helps people get to know you better. And then, and then you can just swipe through here. If you need more help, you can go to the Help Center. That'll take you onto the web browser where you can look up anything at all that you need to know. And that's it. Good job.